Hey, I'm Evie, co-founder of NemoVideo. I'm glad to have this grand launch today and give this step-by-step instruction on how NemoVideo shaped the future of AI-powered video editing. NemoVideo is your personalized and trustworthy AI creative buddy that helps your videos go viral for content creators, marketers, and editors. We believe AI shouldn't be a black box and fully automates everything. Our Nemo agent works as your personal partner, professional, controllable, efficient, and always handles the heavy lifting for you, like captioning, clip selections, voiceover, so you can focus on what you do best, telling incredible stories. How do we achieve this? The answer is simple. First, just start from anything. Click Get Started on the homepage, paste a product link or upload product clips, then hit Create Video. After Nemo AI generates the project brief for you, like product name, key selling points, choose the video duration you want and language, then click Continue. Nemo AI analyzes trendy viral videos from multiple platforms and give you multiple styles of inspirations. Choose at least one inspiration template so Nemo AI knows your ideal video style and content. You can also upload a reference video to give us more information. If you have additional clips, upload them here and then click Continue. Nemo AI will generate the videos shortly. Okay, here comes the result. For the generated videos, you can select voiceover, caption style, and background music you like, or undo any action if you need to revert changes. The script is also generated automatically and is fully editable. Make any edits you want, then click to save. Preview the final video, then export it when you are ready.